Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Xcode versus VSCode. Xcode is Apple's integrated development environment, specifically designed for building applications across their ecosystem, including macOS, iOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Visual Studio Code, on the other hand, is a lightweight, open-source code editor from Microsoft, renowned for its versatility and extensive support for hundreds of programming languages through its vast extension marketplace. We'll explore their core differences and help you decide which tool best suits your development needs. Xcode offers unparalleled integration with Apple's frameworks, providing a seamless experience for Swift UI and UIKit development. Its powerful interface builder allows for intuitive visual UI design, significantly streamlining the creation of user interfaces. Furthermore, Xcode includes robust debugging and profiling tools, meticulously optimized for Apple devices, ensuring your applications run efficiently. It is the essential tool for anyone looking to publish apps on the Apple App Store. Visual Studio Code shines with its incredible versatility, supporting hundreds of programming languages through its expansive extension ecosystem. This allows developers to tailor their environment precisely to their project's needs. Being lightweight, VS Code boasts faster startup times and consumes significantly less system resources compared to full IDEs. Its cross-platform compatibility means it runs flawlessly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it a favorite for diverse development teams. Ultimately, the choice between Xcode and Visual Studio Code depends on your specific development goals. If your focus is exclusively on building applications for Apple platforms, Xcode is the indispensable tool due to its deep integration. However, for cross-platform projects, web development, or working with a wide array of programming languages, Visual Studio Code offers unmatched flexibility and customization. Many experienced developers even utilize both, leveraging each tool's unique strengths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.